Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this updated guide, change your caller ID name on Android. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can update your name and make sure your caller ID shows exactly how you want it. Let's get started right away. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Google app. Yes, the one with the colorful G logo. Before we go any further, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that first. Step 2. Once the app is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for Google Account. Or sometimes it might say, Manage your Google account. Tap that, and it will open up your main account settings. Step 4 is where we get into the details. You'll see a few tabs up top like Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, and more. We're interested in personal info, so go ahead and tap on that. Step 5. Under Personal Info, you'll find a section labeled Basic Info, and under that, you'll see Name. This is the part that controls what your name looks like across Google services, including your caller ID. Tap on the Name section to proceed. Step 6. You're almost there! Here you can edit your first and last name. Type in the name you want to appear on your caller ID. Make sure you enter it exactly the way you want others to see it when you call them. Once you've updated the name, scroll down and tap the Save button. And just like that, you've successfully changed your caller ID name on Android. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.